So how to working with shapes? You can try in a new document. Here you can see rectangle tool, the rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. So if you click rectangle tool, make sure that this is shape. Okay.
So what if you don't do shape?
Here you can see like this one is no color, this one is color, and this is gradient, and this one is pattern. So if you click on no color, and stroke
white.
outline is also no color. Okay.
So it becomes white.
It's no blank, nothing.
Yeah, but
Okay. So now if you fill with like this color, you can see the color is there. If you click here, so you can see color is there. Stroke outline, if you like apply a black color, so you can see this is black color. This is the size of the shape, like you can increase it. The size of the stroke outline you can increase, and this is the style of the shape you can change. Okay. And you can also fill with gradient, as I explained. Okay. And gradient, you can change gradient options like from linear to radial, and angle also you can apply, or reflected, or diamond. Okay. You can also apply different patterns from here. Okay. So like this is a shape now. Okay. If you don't want this outline, so you can click again, select the layer, and stroke outline none. Okay. Now make sure no layer is selected, then create rounded rectangle. See. Okay. Now you can fill with color, and same thing, but here one more extra thing you can change in properties panel, like 50 pixels. Now you will apply, so see the rounded area will be extensive. Okay. Now another is ellipse tool. Make sure no layer is selected. नींद आ गया. And select this and fill with gradient, say radial. Okay. Then you can move, see this is a shape. Then make sure no layer is selected and try polygon tool. Now you can see there is 7 sides.
You can change the
3 sides. So 3 sides means it is triangle. Okay. And if 5 sides, then polygon.
Then 6.
Then we have line tool. So line, to create line. Okay. And the last one is custom shape tool. In custom shape tool we have lots of shapes. If you can't see all of them, you can click on settings icon, then click on all, and then click append. So all shapes will appear here. So for example, if you want to use this, select this and see. Okay. Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So you can try these.